Hi there, Tyler here. Today I'm going to show you how to use some and any correctly. And by the way I come up with video ideas is I simply pick the most asked questions on my membership and I answer them here. You can check the link down in the description and join my membership so you can have direct access to me. Okay, this intro has already been way longer than I wanted to, so let's get to work. The first difference I want you to remember is that we usually use some, and that could be somebody, someone, something in positive sentences. For example, I bought you some flowers.
I brought you some flowers.
Or there's someone at the door.
There's someone at my door.
Or I want to eat something. See how all of these sentences were positive? Now, any we usually use in negative sentences. For example, I didn't buy you any flowers. I don't want to eat anything.
I didn't send you any flowers.
But there's something here that's really important. We don't have to use not, didn't, don't, haven't, hasn't, or anything like that for the sentence to be negative. The meaning can be negative even without the word not. For example, if I say that I went out without any money, I didn't use no or not, but the meaning is negative because I'm basically saying that I didn't take any money with me. So that's what truly matters, like the meaning of the sentence. We also use any and if sentences. For example, let me know if you need anything, or if there are any packages for me, you can just give me a call. And remember that sometimes we're not going to see the word if, but the sentence has the idea of if. So let's say I throw a party, like huge party. So next day I wake up and the moment I open my front door, I see my neighbor. So I tell him, I'm sorry for any trouble I might have caused. And obviously he replies, no worries, Tyler. You're the best neighbor I could have asked for. Another way we can use any is when we actually want to say it doesn't matter. Let's say I'm walking and someone comes up to me and asks me,
I need to get to Venice. Do you know which bus I should take?
You can take any bus. They all go that way. Or let's say that my friend calls me and he's like,
Man, I miss you so much. We need to meet.
And I'm like, yeah, come visit me anytime you want. Another thing you have to remember is that someone, somebody, anyone, anybody are singular words. So we say someone is, has, wants. But we use them, their, they if we're mentioning something about them. For example, someone forgot their wallet. Well, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video and let me know if you have any questions so I can help you. Thank you and see you next video.